Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're checking out the Magic Bullet Portable Blender, specifically the MBPB 5100W in white and MBPB 5100 in silver. This compact little blender is marketed as a go-anywhere, blend-anything solution for people on the move, promising convenience, portability, and powerful performance in a sleek, lightweight design. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Magic Bullet Portable Blender comes with a few key features designed to make it as user-friendly and efficient as possible. First, it's all about portability. This blender is designed to be lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry around in your bag, so it's ideal for busy mornings or quick workouts. With a 16 capacity, it's perfect for making personal-sized smoothies, protein shakes, or flavored waters. You can even infuse water with fruit or herbs using the included infuser basket, which adds a nice touch for those who like refreshing, natural drinks on the go. One of the standout features is the handled flip and sip lid, making it super easy to carry and drink without worrying about spills. The battery is another strong point. A full charge gives you enough juice for 15+ blending cycles, meaning you won't need to recharge after every single use. Whether you're blending at home, at the gym, or while traveling, this portable blender is designed to fit seamlessly into your active lifestyle. Now, let's talk about real-world usage. When I first received the Magic Bullet Portable Blender, I was impressed by how light and compact it was. Honestly, it feels like it would fit comfortably in any bag or backpack without being bulky. Setting it up was a breeze. You simply charge it, fill it with your ingredients, attach the blender cup, and you're ready to go. I tested it by making a smoothie with frozen berries, yogurt, and some ice, and I was pleasantly surprised at how well it blended everything together. The motor, although small, did a good job of breaking down the frozen ingredients without much effort. I also tried the infuser basket, filling it with some mint and lemon slices to make flavored water. That feature worked well, offering a nice infusion of flavor within minutes. As for the flip and sip lid, it's as convenient as advertised. I tossed it in my bag, and there was no leakage, even with some movement. However, after blending a few smoothies, I noticed that the battery did start to drain faster than expected with frequent use, especially when blending denser ingredients. That's worth keeping in mind if you plan on using it several times throughout the day without recharging. In terms of pros, the Magic Bullet Portable Blender has a lot going for it. Its portability is by far the biggest selling point. It's light, compact, and the handled lid design makes it incredibly easy to take along. The blending power, while not as strong as larger models, is more than enough for personal-sized smoothies and flavored waters. Plus, the infuser basket is a clever addition for those looking to enjoy refreshing, on-the-go drinks. The overall build quality is solid for something so compact. It feels durable enough to withstand everyday use without breaking down. On the downside, there are a few areas where it falls short. The battery life, while decent, could be better. If you're making thicker smoothies or using it frequently, you might find yourself recharging it more often than expected. Also, while the blending performance is good, it's not going to replace larger more powerful blenders for heavier tasks. If you're looking to blend nuts, seeds, or large batches of ingredients, this blender might not be able to keep up. When it comes to value for money, the Magic Bullet Portable Blender is priced fairly for what it offers. It's not the most expensive portable blender on the market, but it's not the cheapest either. Considering its compact design, battery life, and the convenience it provides, it offers decent value for someone who needs a blender for personal use or quick tasks. However, if you're in the market for a more powerful, larger capacity blender for frequent use, there are other options in a similar price range that might be more suited to your needs. But for people who prioritize portability and ease of use, it delivers on those fronts quite well. Comparing it to other portable blenders, you'll find that the Magic Bullet Portable Blender holds up well against competitors like the NutriBullet Go and the BlendJet 2. Both of those options offer similar portability and ease of use, but the NutriBullet Go has a slightly more powerful motor, and the BlendJet 2 offers a longer battery life per charge. What sets the Magic Bullet apart, though, is the addition of the infuser basket and the unique flip and sip lid. While those aren't necessarily deal breakers for everyone, they're features that could sway a buyer looking for something a bit more versatile. Build quality-wise, the Magic Bullet portable blender feels sturdy. The materials are solid for a product of this size and price range, and the overall construction seems like it will hold up well over time with regular use. Of course, long-term reliability is a bit harder to gauge since it's a newer model, but given Magic Bullet's reputation for making durable kitchen products, it's reasonable to expect this one will stand the test of time, as long as you follow the manufacturer's care instructions. If you do happen to run into any issues, Magic Bullet's customer support is generally known to be responsive and helpful. I didn't need to reach out to them personally for this review, but based on my past experiences with the brand, I'd expect quick turnaround times if you needed assistance. When it comes to updates, there aren't any relevant firmware or software updates for this product, as it's not a smart appliance. The features it offers are all hardware-based and function right out of the box. No updates are needed to keep it running smoothly. To wrap things up, the Magic Bullet portable blender offers a lot of convenience and portability, making it an excellent choice for those who need a compact, easy-to-use blender for personal drinks or flavored water. While it has a few limitations, like its battery life and blending power, it's still a solid option for casual users. If you're looking for something that can easily fit into your active lifestyle and handle quick blending tasks, this is definitely a product to consider. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or thoughts about the Magic Bullet portable blender, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And if you already own one, let us know how it's been working for you. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on the latest products. Till next time, keep blending and stay refreshed. Only here on Reviews Inside TV.